Jumping into new crypto pairs without a clear framework is the fastest way to see your portfolio shatter to zero. To prevent that, we are building a mandatory go, no-go trade evaluation checklist. You need objective criteria before you ever click buy. By the end of the next 5 minutes, you will know the exact math for sizing your trades and the precise data points that reveal a scam setup instantly. First, make sure your foundation is ready. You need a funded wallet holding 1 to 10 Solana, a connected exchange account, and the Astrum and Ukento browser extensions installed. Having the right technical tools won't save you if you trade on feeling. You have to remove your emotions and let a rigid framework dictate your moves. The fastest way to get wiped out is full porting, dumping 100% of your funds into a single, highly volatile coin. Look at this diagram representing your total account. If you are starting with a standard portfolio of 1 to 10 Solana, you must isolate your risk. You should only ever allocate 10 to 15% of your portfolio per transaction, but there is a hard floor to that rule. The absolute minimum trade size you should take is 0.1 Solana. If you trade with anything less than that, the unavoidable gas and transaction fees will eat your principal. You are mathematically guaranteed a negative return before the coin even moves. Losses are an inevitable part of trading. A strict, inflexible portfolio size is your only mathematical defense to ensure you survive them. Most beginners fail because they watch new pairs on a standard 1-minute chart. At that time frame, you are blind to the extreme volatility happening inside each candle. Manually switch your chart interface down to the 1-second time frame for new pairs, or 5 seconds if the coin has migrated. On the left, a barcode chart's blocky movements indicate a scam. On the right, a natural chart breathes with organic curves and prominent wicks. Zooming in, these wicks represent intra-second battles, proving a buyer stepped in, a seller countered, and the price corrected instantly. Spotting natural wick formation is your immediate visual proof that a real market exists, keeping you out of completely rigged setups. Now let's filter out the noise. In your Migrated Protocols tab, turn off the low-volume networks and leave only the active hubs on, like Bonk and Pump. In this filter settings panel, set your minimum market cap exactly to 10,000. Anything below that on a migrated protocol is an abandoned project, and this automatically removes them from your screen. With the dead coins gone, we have to verify the remaining ones by checking the active viewer count against the total market cap. If a coin boasts a $100,000 market cap, but you only see 10 active viewers looking at it, the math does not align. That anomaly indicates an insider is manipulating the price. Open the Holders tab to evaluate the history and age of the wallets currently holding the asset. Notice the leaf icon next to a wallet address, signifying a brand new account with 0 trading history. A cluster of these leaf wallets is a major warning. Developers distribute tokens across fresh accounts to artificially hide their supply before coordinating a massive dump. You also cannot rely on standard bubble maps to catch this. Advanced bad actors use crypto mixers across different networks to obscure the connections between these hidden wallets. Relying on a single tool leaves you blind. You have to cross-reference the market cap, the active viewers, and the wallet ages to build an accurate picture of what you are buying. Here is your completed go, no-go checklist. Consult these 4 points before you buy. Is risk isolated to 10 or 15%? Am I watching the active 1-second chart? Do I see natural wicks? And are there real viewers instead of fresh leaf wallets? Strictly adhering to this framework successfully filters out 90% of the traps designed to drain beginner accounts. Now that you have the data to filter out the bad setups, you are ready for the next step. In the following video, we will break down the exact strategy for timing your entries.